Today, we're gonna make energy balls. Fast, easy, healthy, but absolutely delicious. I will show you how to make them very quick because we will make one base and by adding inside different ins, we will play around the flavors. You can pick your favorite one or just like me, make them all. As you can see, I already have my machine here prepared. So all of these 4 ingredients for the base are going here inside. We will mix them well and this is our base. So this is how our base looks like. Very soft, very nice, and very easily you can form a ball. Now inside I will put the ins for the first flavor. So if you pick your flavor, write it down in the comment and let me know. So you can see, I was making big batch. Don't be scared to make the same, because this is wonderful meal preparation for the time when you're busy, when you want to snack something sweet, when you want to take something at work, pre-workout, after workout, whenever. You can store them in the fridge up to 2 weeks, and as well you can put them in the freezer up to 6 months. I will go now put these wonderful bites in the container right inside the freezer. I will definitely take some of them tomorrow for work, but if you like them, give them a try, give them big thumb up, subscribe to our channel for more content, and see you next time.